Glass beads begin with carefully selected raw materials. Every ingredient is inspected to ensure consistent quality before production starts. Automated batching guarantees the correct ratio of every ingredient, allowing every glass bead to have the same quality and appearance.
We have achieved uniformity.
Excellent. Move it to the furnace.
The batch is entering the furnace now. Feed rate is steady. Good.
Maintain temperature at 1800 degrees Celsius. Extreme heat melts the raw materials into a smooth, molten glass that forms the foundation of every glass bead. Molten glass slowly passes through the refining chamber, where air bubbles rise to the surface and impurities separate from the liquid glass. Specially designed nozzles control the size of every molten droplet, producing glass beads with highly consistent dimensions. The glass beads enter a long annealing oven where controlled cooling slowly reduces the temperature. This process strengthens.
The glass beads continue traveling through the annealing tunnel as digital sensors continuously monitor the temperature profile.
How millions of glass beads are manufactured.
Polishing removes tiny surface imperfections and creates a smoother finish before quality inspection.
The washing process is crucial, as it removes any remaining polishing residue, ensuring the beads are perfectly clean and ready for the next stage of drying. Explain that grading separates glass beads by size, so every package contains uniform products. To sort the millions of glass beads, a vibrating grading machine separates them by diameter using precision mesh screens. Advanced vision systems inspect thousands of beads every second, ensuring only high-quality products continue through production. Laboratory testing confirms the strength, size accuracy, and impeccable surface quality of the finished glass beads before they are moved to packaging. Computerized weighing systems ensure every package contains the exact specified weight, reducing waste and maintaining consistent product quality. Precise heat sealing protects the glass beads from moisture, dust, and contamination during transportation and storage. To ensure customers receive the correct quantity, Every finished package is weighed one final time. If incorrectly weighted, the package is automatically removed from the line. The filled cartons move continuously along the powered conveyors, where they are securely sealed by the automatic carton sealing machines. Stretch wrapping protects the cartons during storage and transportation, while preventing movement on the pallet. Compressed air cleaning removes fine dust particles to ensure the glass beads remain clean before the final inspection stage. Illuminated by bright LED inspection lights, high-speed optical cameras scan every bead for cracks, chips, and surface defects. Automated inspection systems utilize high-speed pneumatic ejectors to instantly remove defective products, ensuring the manufacturing process continues without interruption. Strength testing ensures the glass beads can withstand handling, transportation, and industrial use without breaking easily. The measurements align perfectly with the specifications here on the monitor.
Yes, the analysis confirms the quality. We are clear for approval.
Sealed storage silos protect the finished glass beads from moisture and contamination before packaging. How millions of glass beads are manufactured. Reliable sealing protects the glass beads from moisture and contamination throughout storage and transportation.
Randomly selected packages undergo thorough inspection, ensuring labels and seals meet our high standards before being stamped for palletizing.
Finished glass bead products are tracked through a digital warehouse management system before shipment.
Logistics teams coordinate orders, transportation schedules, and destination requirements before shipment.
Every shipping container must be inspected before loading to protect the product during transportation.
Okay, bring it left, slowly now. Looks good on this side. Drop it right there.
Security seals help ensure shipment integrity during international transportation.
Many glass beads are supplied to road marking manufacturers, where they improve nighttime visibility by reflecting vehicle headlights.
After unloading, the beads are poured into this hopper, which feeds the main production line, where they are combined with road marking materials.
Perfectly round glass beads reflect light back toward drivers, improving road safety during nighttime driving.
The reflectivity values align with the specifications. We can approve the batch. Confirmed. The application meets quality standards. Glass beads are also widely used for precision surface finishing because they clean metal without causing significant damage. The same precise manufacturing process supplies a wide array of industries with consistent, high-quality glass beads.
Modern automation allows millions of glass beads to be produced efficiently while maintaining strict quality standards.
From raw materials to millions of precision glass beads, the journey involves advanced engineering, seamless automation, and rigorous quality control. Advanced automation, skilled workers, and strict quality control combine to produce millions of precision glass beads every day. Temperatures above 1450 degrees Celsius transform ordinary raw materials into perfectly refined molten glass.
As the molten glass exits the furnace, thousands of glowing droplets separate from the nozzles, rapidly forming perfect spheres as they cool.
Controlled cooling strengthens every glass bead.
Origin points. The rotary polishing drums ensure a flawless surface quality, making the beads perfectly smooth and glossy.
Precision manufacturing ensures every bead delivers reliable performance in demanding industrial environments.
Automation significantly improves efficiency, consistency, and crucially, workplace safety. How millions of glass beads are manufactured. The factory operates continuously, transforming raw materials into millions of perfect glass spheres every hour. Operating 24 hours away, this facility produces millions of glass beads, ready for transport across the globe. Every glass bead represents precision engineering, careful quality control, and modern manufacturing technology. How millions of glass beads are manufactured.